It's okay, come on. You can do it here, look. Right here. You want me to pick you up? Ugh. Gotcha. This is how we go across bridges. And down. Good girl. Hey Mila, you wanna go swim? Hey Mila, you wanna go swim? Come on, come swim. Go slow now. Whoa! Go swim! Yeah! Are we going across? I don't know if I can get across without my feet getting wet, but let's do it anyway. Come on. Yeah. Up. Mila, up. Come on. How cool is that, Mila? Yeah. All right, let's go this way. Hey Mila, down here, come on. Come on down. Uh-oh. She's stuck on a stick. Okay. Check this out. You can see the layers in the rock from where it was carved away. That is so cool. All right, Mila, up. Hello. people up there right now. I have to wait for them. I guess we'll come back when they're gone. This is a cool area. This way. Down. Let's go this way. Around. This way. Hey, this way. Yep, good girl. You go swim? Go swim. Go swim. Ready? Yeah, good girl. All right, this way. Come on, Mila. Leave it. Let's go. This way. Come on. Come on. Nope, leave it. We're going this way. Yeah. Let's swim. Come on. Let's swim. That one up there looks even bigger than the last one. Oh yeah. Wow. There's a little cave over there too. Hey Mila, come check it out. Oh, it's just a little one. It's just a little one, not Mila. Let's go this way. Let's go swimming, huh? Wow. Good girl. You want this one? Where'd it go? Good girl. Yep, good girl. You're stuck. Here, let me help you. You're just, there you go, you got it. Whoa, that's deep. Woo! Oh, that's deep. That is deep. Whoa. Hey Mila, you want to go up? Up? Let's go up. This way. Up. Good girl. Good job. This way. Up. Up here. Whoa. Good job, Mila. Good girl. All right, let's go down, 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 this way. Go slow, slow. Hello.
What are you doing? We used to have one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we got it for like maybe 16 years.
Wow.
Long time.
She's 2 now.
2?
2.
Nice, oh my. You got way long. Well, enjoy it.
Yeah, have a good one. You wanna run? You wanna run? Let's run. Whoa! All right, slow. Good girl.